viewers, welcome to TP Square Vlogs. I would like to create a series of videos covering all the tips and tricks one need to know to save a lot of time while working with Word. In the first part of this series, I am going to show you first 5 tips and tricks in the Word. Tip number 1. You would like to generate random text and fill the entire document. Use this command and let Microsoft Word generate text for you. Type equals rand followed by open and close bracket. Enter first digit which indicates number of paragraphs and second digit to indicate number of lines in each paragraph. Then press enter. That's all. Microsoft Word generates random text you requested. Here, I am playing with it, and I recommend you to do it as well. Tip number 2. Ever wonder how to insert hyperlinks into the text of Word document that takes you to a particular website upon clicking it? This tip will help you to achieve that. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to TP Square Vlogs, please do subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Here, I would like to insert hyperlink to my channel into the name of channel. That is, if I press Ctrl plus click on the name of my channel in the Word, it should open the YouTube page of my channel. For this I am first copying the URL link of my channel and then I am selecting the name in the Word document to which I want to insert hyperlink. Press right click and select option link in the menu. In the popped up window, I am pasting link of my channel that I have copied earlier. Here, one can also provide links to the files located in the PC or server. Press enter. Now you can see the hyperlink is created. Press Ctrl plus click and it redirects me to the web page. This is how one can insert hyperlinks to websites. Tip number 3. So far we know how to select lines of text in a paragraph. This is just done with pressing left click and dragging the mouse till the point where one would like to select. This is called as horizontal selection. Now, I'll show you vertical selection. This allows us to select the certain words vertically in the paragraphs without selecting the entire lines. This is done by using Alt button. Press Alt plus click and drag down vertically. This selects the words vertically across the lines. Now one can change the style of these selected words such as color, font style, make them bold and italic, so on. Here, I am doing different changes to demonstrate this tip. Feel free to play with this tip. Tip number 4. Usually, while working with documents in Microsoft Word, we perform copy-paste operations multiple times. Every time when you perform new copy operation, this will become your latest copy and you can paste it in the document multiple times. But what if you want to paste the item that you have copied before you copied the latest one? Is it possible to paste the first copy you have performed in the document? The answer is yes. Microsoft Word captures all the copies that we have performed under clipboard. Here, I'll show you an example. Let's copy this sentence and paste it in the other place of the document. Now copy another sentence and paste it. You paste it again, then you'll see the latest copy is being pasted here. As I said, we can also paste the last copy we performed before this latest one. For this one has to go to Home tab and click the expand symbol next to clipboard. Here you can see Microsoft Word saved all the copies you have performed in a session. Always the latest one stays on the top. Now one can select the previous copy to paste in the desired location of the document. This is how one can perform paste operations from multiple copy operations. Tip number 5. Most of the times we use Google Translate or other official translators to translate our piece of text or document into desired language. For this, we copy the text we want to translate and paste it to get it translated. But we can do this translation in Microsoft Word directly. Microsoft Word provides this feature, which can also translate an entire document from one language to another. One can find this feature in the Review tab under Language section. Upon selecting the Translate option, it gives two options to choose. One is to translate the selection. This translates a piece of text that we selected to translate, or the other option is to translate the entire document. Here I am showing an example of using this translate option. Please feel free to play with this feature. Once the translation is done, click Insert to replace the selected sentence with translated version. I hope these tips help you to make your work quicker and smoother. Subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. Thank you.